So we will perform kinematic simulation for this assembly, as you can see. So here this part is going to rotate like this, then it is going to slide in this way. So I will show you by applying all the kinematic joints for these four parts. So we have this proper assembly, and I will first add one new mechanism. So after adding the new mechanism, first thing we have to do is we have to see which is the fixed part, which is the stationary part, and we have to fix that. So this is the base, this base part we have to fix it by using this fix command like this. So now the base part is fixed. Okay, so after that I will add new kinematic joints. So first this part is going to rotate like this, then this will slide, that yellow box will slide inside this. So I will show you. So first thing we have to give is the revolute joint between this. So we have to select these axis and the planes for these parts respectively. So here we need the angle to be driven, so we have to turn this on and it should be 360-degree. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to give the revolute joint again. So select this axis, then hide this part and show this part, and select this axis. Then after that we have to just select the planes. And now this is done. So there is no requirement for the angle to be driven. Okay, so after that this is going to slide in a linear motion, so I'm giving prismatic kinematic joint in between this. So here we need to select the lines. So these curves we have to select. So sometimes it won't take this, so that time you need to hide this and then select the line. Then you have to just select the planes for each part. Okay, so now the prismatic joint is done. Now the same way I will give the same kinematic joint for these two parts also. Okay, so now it is saying the mechanism can be simulated, and I will just perform the simulation now. Okay, so here you can see we have given the revolute joint here. As you can see, this is going to rotate like this, and as this part rotates, this yellow part will also rotate with that. And as these two parts rotates, this brown part, this part will slide inside this. So, and it will slide in this way. So I will just show you by doing the simulation. Okay, so for that you need to go to this command, and so here highest value I will take 3600. Click OK. And just play button, and as you can see, this is the mechanism, and this mechanism is working properly. So now it is rotating in reverse direction. So in this way we have performed the kinematic simulation on this assembly.